Good morning, Math 2. This is math lesson 115. We're going to be learning to multiply by 2 today. You already know how to multiply by 2. Think about doubles. Doubles is just like multiplying by 2. So take a look at what I have written on the board. What is 1 times 2? Think about it as 1 plus 1. It's 2. Look at the next one. 2 groups of 2 is how many? 3 groups of 2. 4 groups of 2. 5 groups of 2. 6 groups of 2. 7 groups of 2. 8 groups of 2. 9 groups of 2. I saved your favorite for last. If I have 0 groups of 2, how many do I have? That's right, I have 0. So these problems are written horizontally. I also wrote them for you vertically, so we don't think that we just can answer them one way. Let's do it together. 2 groups of 0 is how much? 2 groups of 1. 2 groups of 2. 2 groups of 3. 2 groups of 4. 2 groups of 5. 2 groups of 6. 2 groups of 7. 2 groups of 8. And 2 groups of 9. Remember the commutative property of multiplication, that it does not matter which order we multiply in. So I will do it for one problem to remind you. 2 times 5 is the same thing as 5 times 2. It does not matter which factor comes first. Okay, take out your fact master paper that looks like this. You see sections 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead and fill out section 1. It's what we just did. I'll give you a moment to do that. All right. Take a look at section 2. You need to match the problems with the answers. I would like you, when you're doing that, to read the question to yourself and the answer. So you might be saying 5 groups of 2 is 10, and then draw the line. Work on that. I know I probably didn't give you enough time, but I can't just wait the whole time. Hey, section number 3, you need to fill in the missing factor. So think about what number multiplied by 2 is going to equal 8. Once you've finished sections 1, 2, and 3, you're going to turn your paper over. While you're working on that, I'm going to erase the board and try and make something that looks like the backside of your paper. The backside of your paper is a bingo card. So I will use a different color. we're going to use the bingo card to practice multiplying by 2. What numbers can I use on my bingo card for multiplying by 2? I'll write them up here. I can do 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Hey, that's just like counting by 2's the answers. How many numbers do I have across the top? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I only have 9 squares. That means I have to leave one off when I fill in my card. I'm going to leave out the 0. So you have a choice. You can either fill yours out the same way mine is filled out, or you can choose to put your answers to the multiplying by 2 problems anywhere you would like. And I'm just going to go in random order. How does your bingo card look? So this is a game that you're going to have to play with somebody in your family. They can ask you any of the multiplying by 2 questions. You could even ask somebody else the multiplying by 2 questions, and then they need to use maybe pennies or little post-it notes to cover up the answers. And then and you get to decide if it's going to be a line that they need to get, or you are going to get to make it a bingo. Maybe it has to be a full house. That means that the whole card is filled. Or you might decide that it's just the perimeter that they need to get. I hope you have fun practicing your multiplying by 2 facts playing bingo. Have a great day. I will see you next time. Bye.